welcome to the new video, and hope so you are all fine there and abiding the rules and regulations provided by the government, keeping a safe distance there. Social distance is maintained, you are at home only. Let's continue with where from we left yesterday. Today also we continue with the if else if ladder. Now today's topic is we are going for the step calculation. As yesterday we discussed the step calculations. Now where you go for a step calculation? When we go for the billing like electric billing, water billing, calculating of a fine for the library, when you in some countries and some cities there is an option of hiring a bike and moving around for the tourists. So then and there this process is applied. So we are going for the step calculation today. Now what the step calculation means here? Now suppose in my colony 4 people are there and we all are consuming the electricity. The electricity is provided by the UPPCL. So it's a government one and everyone has the same facility. Everyone has to follow the same facilities and the same rules is implemented for everyone. Now suppose the house A, B, C, D. House A consumes electricity below 100 unit. House B consumes electricity between 200 unit. House C consumes electricity between 200 to 400, and house D consumes electricity more than the 400 unit. Then will the rules will be differ to them? No. As you play games, 4 friends are playing games, so in whichever level you are, alright, suppose first one is in first level, second friend is in second level, third friend is in third level, fourth friend is in fourth level. The first is in first level, so rules will be same for him, but the second friend who is in second level, he has to follow the rule of first level, then only he has gone to the second level, is it or not? So he has to cross first level, then only he moves on to the second level. Likewise the third participant, when he passes through first level, second level, then only he goes to the third level. And similarly for the case of the fourth also, first, second, third, then he is in fourth stage, is it? So similarly, when we go with the electricity calculations, the step calculations, in this you have to go with the first slab, then you have to go with the second slab. If his category is in third slab, then you have to go with the first, second and then to the third. If he belongs to the fourth category, then he has to go with the first slab, then he go with the second slab, then process the third, and then whatever is there, it's been calculated according to the slab 4. Slab means the line wise. Are you getting it? So we have done it in class 8. Now I am recompiling it and reconstructions of it so that you remember it again, get polished. Let's move with the programs of the if else if. Web to input the unit consumed to calculate monthly electricity bill for the customer as per the given slab. Now This is unit consumed, and this is rate per unit. First 100 unit, it is 4.80. Next 100 unit, it is 5.20. 200 to 400 unit, it is 5.80, and above 400 unit, it's 6.20. Now this is I had not taken from the electricity board, please don't compare with it, or this is what occasionally I taken in the class, and this is similar. This is for an example, this is not the fixed rate what you people are having in with. Alright, so please don't compare it with the UPPCL. Sir is saying it wrong, or no need for justifications. This is for example, this is how you have to calculate. Now, so class, now let's try to understand this thing. This is A, this is B, C, and D. He consumes 70 unit, he consumes 170 unit, he consumes 370 unit, he consumes 470 unit. Alright, now A belongs to slab 1. Alright, but the B conditions, when it moves ahead, B, now he has to go with the first 100 unit of, he has to pay according to the first 100 unit. Then the remaining 70 units he pays with the second slab. Alright, in the third case also, first 100 unit he pays it with the first slab, next 100 unit he pays it with the second slab. That means 200 units he pays according to the first slab and second slab for the 200 units. Now the remaining 170 units he pays it according to the third slab. Coming to the fourth one, again he also pays as per the first slab, then he pays for the second slab, and then he pays for the third slab. The range of the third slab is 200 to 400 units, is it? So he pays for the third slab, and then this is 100, 100, 200, 200, 400, and its total unit is 470. So he pays the next 70 unit as per the fourth slab. Are you getting it? So let's continue now. Class ABC or electricity, whatever you like. Void main. Now, unit is in 90. Unit, and double is the charge. Charge is 0.0. Right. If the unit consumed is up to 100 unit, that means first 100 unit, then what will be the charge? उसने जितना भी यूनिट कंज्यूम्ड किया है इनटू द रेट 4.80 LC. Now this is first slab was for A, we have done for the A. Now we are moving with the B, so he comes into the second category. So if the unit consumed is, now what he says, first 100 unit हो गया, next 100 unit, that means the range is from first 100 unit to 200 unit. If the unit is more than 100 and he goes to the next 100 equals to 200 unit, then the charge he has to pay for the first 100 unit, is it? So first 100 unit he pays 4.80. Then whatever the remaining unit, so 100 already paid, so unit minus, if I do 100 then I get a remaining unit, so unit minus 100, so I get a remaining unit here now, into, it is 5.20. Alright, then for the slab 3, what is the slab 3? 200 to 400 units. If the unit consumed is more than 200 and an unit consumed is up to 400 units. Alright, then what will be the charge? Now he has to pay for the first 100 unit, is it? So first 100 unit 4.80 plus slab says next 100 unit, that means next 100 unit he has to pay 5.20. So he has paid for the 200 unit. Now the remaining units has to be done. So how to get a remaining unit? Unit minus 200. The unit minus 200, then I get a remaining unit, and the remaining unit has to be paid in by the third slab, 5.80. Now else charge, that is above 400 unit. So now again above 400 unit. So first 100 unit he has to pay 100 into 4.80. Then again next 100 unit he has to pay 100 into 5.20 plus the third slab. Third slab range is 200 to 400 units, 200 units. So he pays 200 units, 5.80. So total he has paid 100, 200, 400 units. Then the remaining unit minus 400 into, what is the rate of the last one? 6.20. 6.20. Alright, 6.20. Now print unit consumed is plus unit bill amount is plus ch main close class close. Alright, hope so. Getting it out. First 100 unit, second 100 unit, second slab. Then this is the third slab, and this one is the fourth slab, and now you are printing it out. Alright. Now similarly, the question which we have built in class 8, the second one we will do it again. Web to input the number of calls to calculate monthly phone bill as per the given tariff plan. Number of calls, rate per call. First 80 calls, 80 paisa per call. Next 80 calls, 60 paisa per call. Next 160 calls, 40 paisa per call. Above 320 calls, 20 paisa per call. Is it? No. Class ABC or phone bill, whatever you write, void main. Now int number of calls, NC. Now double charge, ch equals to 0.0. If the number of calls is up to 80, first 100 calls, then charge equals to number of calls into 0.80, convert it into rupees. Else if the number of calls is more than 80 and then next 80 call, next 80 call means 160 calls. Is it? 80, 160 calls, range is 160. So charge, you have to pay for the first 80 into 0.80 पहले स्लैब के लिए, प्लस नंबर ऑफ कॉल्स 80 माइनस कर देंगे क्योंकि उतना तो 80 पैसे के हिसाब से दे दिया, इंटू 0.60. ठीक है ना. फॉर द थर्ड स्लैब, कंज्यूमर कमिंग इनटू थर्ड स्लैब, if the number of calls is more than 160 and number of calls is up to 320 because the third slab says next to 160 call. CSC 160 320. So charge equals to 80 into 0.80 पहला वाले के हिसाब से देगा. फिर सेकंड स्लैब में जाएगा तो नेक्स्ट 80 कॉल है 80 into 0.60. Now remaining calls NC minus 160. Number of calls minus 160 into 0.40. Else charge equals to first 80 calls 0.80. Next 80 call 0.60. Next 160 calls 0.40. So number of calls minus 320 into 0.20. So supreme number of calls plus NC supreme bill amount plus charge. This is main close, class close. Now number of calls, charge, first slab, then the second slab, then this is the third slab, this is the fourth slab, this is 0.20 no? Fourth slab. Now printing. This is how we will be dealing with it, and in the next topic we will go with the again. Thank you.